Hi everyone, welcome to IFS Markets. I am Laura. Today is the 10th of June, and today I want to show you something a little bit more different, and this is economic event calendars. So it will be more of a fundamental analysis than the usual technical. So going to the economic event calendar, underneath I have selected high for the importance, which means this particular data release will impact the market more. And the one that I'll be talking about today is the core inflation rate for US, that we can see the previous data release is 3% and they forecast 3.2%. The reason I chose core inflation rate over the inflation rate is because the core inflation rate is believed to represent the underlying trend in inflation and usually used by policymakers to determine the future strategy in the economy. And the brief explanation for the core inflation rate is written down here. It says that in the United States, the core inflation rate tracks changes in price that consumers pay for a basket of goods, which exclude volatile food and fuel costs. Now, we'll go down to the event chart, which you can see here. The blue bars are the actual data, and the orange outline is the forecasted one. We can see in the price chart, I just want to show you the last one in the 12th of May. The actual data is 3% and the forecast is 2.2. So that means the inflation rate is actually higher than the forecast ones. Going to the volatility, I want to show you the 15 minutes first. We can see this is the last one, which is in the May 12th, which the actual one is higher than the forecast one. Right afterwards, 15 minutes after the news release, the pips drops by 8.5 pips. And one thing that you need to pay attention is that when the actual data release is higher than the forecasted one, that means USD is getting stronger. And if you look at here, the current currency pair that we're looking at is Euro USD. So USD is getting stronger. That's why the Euro USD are getting weaker. Okay, now I want to show you after an hour. After an hour, it dropped to 26.8 pips, and after 4 hours, it dropped to 48.5 pips. So in 4 hours of time after data release, that it drops a complete 48.5 pip, which is quite a lot for a day, for 4 hours. Now I want to show you the impact. I'll just show you the 4 hours. We can see this is the time that the news is released, the data is released, and then after 4 hours later, it dropped a complete of 48.5 pips. So this is more of a fundamental side of currency trading. Hope you like something new today. And also a little reminder here is that tonight the news release is at 10:30 p.m. Sydney time. So you might want to pay attention to that if you want to do a bit news trading. And even if you're doing technical, it's always good to know some fundamental as well. And make sure to check out the other video today, which I'll do a technical analysis on the Euro USD. Hope you like today's video and have a happy trading day. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.